In this tutorial, you'll see how to forecast with different time granularities in Oracle Sales Planning Cloud. Advanced Sales Forecasting lets you view and act on evolving forecast trends, target your sales plan and what-if scenarios, and create collaborative, detailed sales revenue models in Sales Planning Cloud. You can plan on a weekly or monthly basis. If you plan in one basis and need to view data in another, you can convert your data to view it in dashboards and reports. Let's say you are planning on a monthly basis and running monthly predictions. However, now you want to forecast on a weekly basis and get predictive planning results by week. Change the planning time granularity on the Enable Features page for advanced sales forecasting. Select Weekly Planning. Select an option for mapping weekly data to monthly data. You can also leverage a rolling forecast range at a weekly, monthly, or quarterly granularity. Enable the selected features. Let's configure our weekly time periods. Change the planning frequency to weekly and accept the rolling forecast selections for the number of periods and rolling forecast range. For weekly forecasting selections, keep the current fiscal year and select the period and current week. Updating these settings is part of your regular forecast maintenance, and changes automatically roll your forecast forms and business processes forward. After switching to weekly planning, we also started to load weekly actual data. So for monthly reporting, actual data needs to be converted to monthly totals. To do that, navigate to the Rules page and run the rule to convert the weekly data. After the data is converted, calculate actuals to push data to the reporting cube. Next, calculate the forecast data and push it to the reporting cube. On the Overview dashboard, change the period granularity to Weekly Plan to see weekly results in the Overview Trendline graph. For revenue predictions, you can run a prediction with weekly data to base your predictions on. Paste the weekly forecast predictions. Save your changes. Weekly forecast data is updated. You'll need to convert the new weekly forecast data to monthly data. I've set up the Convert Weekly to Monthly rule to run from a form. From the Actions menu, select Business Rules. Select the rule to run it. This rule converts only the data on the current form. You can also run a batch conversion of all forecast data from the Rules page. The weekly data is converted to monthly data, which you'll need for reports. Forecast data is available on the Overview dashboard on a weekly basis and on a monthly basis. Thanks for watching.